Hi friends, how are you all? Let me know in the comment box. And welcome back to my channel English Clue Journey. Guys, you know why I'm here today? As you know that in my last video I mentioned how to take the first step in speaking English. So, and I also mentioned there I would tell you about second step. So that's why I'm here to tell you about how to take the second step in speaking English. Because you know guys, trust me, it is going to help you a lot. Because I have made many my students do these activities, and after doing these activities for the 10 or 15 days, they felt very comfortable and they were able to speak in English. So that's why it is proven and it is very helpful. So let me show you how to do that. Okay, I can see this is a beautiful picture of nature. In this picture we can see a big green field. The sky is blue and full of white fluffy clouds. There are many green trees in the background. In the front, 4 children are playing and running in the field. All the children look very happy. And all the children have a big smiles on their faces. They are wearing colorful clothes. One girl is wearing a yellow dress. One boy is wearing a red t-shirt. One girl is in pink. And a small boy is in an orange and yellow striped t-shirt. There are also some white flowers in the grass. The children are enjoying themselves in the fresh air. The weather looks sunny and pleasant. This picture shows the joy of childhood and the beauty of nature. It's all about this picture. So did you see guys how I describe this picture? So in this way you have to describe. If you practice this activity for the next 10 to 15 days, and you will see the result. So keep practicing and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you want me to make more video like this, so let me know in the comment box. So take care of yourself. Till then, bye.